Thought it was off the rim?
I thought it was like flat. I thought it ripped apart.
No.
I didn't want to get down because he has COPD, so I didn't want to keep the air. But he does have a spare.
Okay. The spare is going to be on the inside, behind, in between both seats.
It's what?
It's in between both seats.
In between both seats.
Yeah.
He said this spare is in here. He said in between.
Yeah, it's going to be, yeah, grab your purse. I'll show you. Should be right under here.
I ain't know where it was, man.
It's not that bad, Daddy.
I know it's not that bad. It's just I thought it was home.
Nah, normally on these is right here. I may be wrong. Let me see. Let me make sure. I don't see anything. All right. Let me check back that first. Let me see.
That's your truck, man?
Yes, sir.
That's a bad boy there, man.
The driver's side interior sidewall of the rear cargo trunk area.
Say that again.
The driver's side interior sidewall of the rear cargo trunk area.
Okay. So it's saying it's back here. Driver's side. They said the driver's side, right?
No, yeah, you could see it looking off. It's not turning?
No, it's not turning.
You could see the tire. That's cool.
That is cool. I never.
There you go.
That is cool. That's different. Wow. Okay. I learned something today.
Yeah. I knew how to change a tire.
You pay for roadside assistance. Why you want to know how to change the tire? You pay for this.
I know, but still, I wouldn't have had to wait. But the wait wasn't long.
You waited 20 minutes.
Yeah.
20 minutes.
Well, I was timing you. You didn't hear my timing. It just went.
Yeah, I heard it.
I was like, oh, he came. I was like, yeah. That's why I got down. I'm like, I'm a heavy load.
Nah, you're fine.
Yeah, it's like, no, you could stay. I was like,
Yeah, you could have stayed in.
Would have broke his jack.
No, baby.
Huh? Yeah, we're Southern Knights.
Yeah, this is a 3-ton jack. You ain't close to it.
I don't know.
Nah, you ain't close
But
to
you
it.
add the van.
Nah, I'd have picked up stuff way bigger than this.
One of my brothers, close friend growing up with from Franklin.
From Franklin?
Barkeys.
From who?
Barkeys or Barkin? Barkeys, I believe. Ian Barkley. They had adopted him.
Okay.
I don't know what brought them to Wilson. I think it was a job or something for his parents.
Normally that's what bring you to small places like that.
Yeah.
All right, let's get this first. I don't want you to roll over this and then be like, oh my.
Another.
Yeah. Get that out the way.
How much State Farm paid you for that? 500?
I wish. I wish.
That looks fat.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some air in.
Okay.
I will. I want to put your side panel back on first. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah, that's what she was telling me. I told her I'm from Franklin. Sir?
Right there, Market City.
Yeah.
You know some Pierre?
I know a bunch of Pierres.
Danny Pierre.
Danny?
Yeah.
Got to be older.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I know a bunch of Pierres though. I know maybe that's his relatives that I know. I went to high school with a lot of them.